So CIE is a big show for us every year.
This time is a massive exhibition.
It's fantastic to be here again at CIE in Shanghai.
It's a very unique event.
And so it's not just a China exhibit, it really is a global platform.
The 7th China International Import Expo has opened in Shanghai. This year's expo has attracted participants from more than 150 countries, regions, and international organizations. Nearly 300 Fortune Global 500 companies and industry leaders have come here to showcase their products and services. What makes the CIIE so appealing? What opportunities does it offer to participants? Let's explore the answers at the expo.
Johnson Controls participated in CIIE for the past 7 years. So it's a very unique event. They provide a platform for foreign companies to come in and showcase their products. It is about the continuously developing with the market dynamics.
We've been here every year with a big booth and meeting important decision makers every year. And we just see a massive potential here. China is setting more and more ambitious energy efficiency standards, and we want to be part of that journey.
The CIIE gives us the opportunity, once again, to explore strategic partnerships that will help build our business in China.
China is a very important market for us. I think it's a very important show. You also see it in the size and everybody from the globe that is attending. So it's very important to be here if you want to be active in China. That's why also we are here.
CIE offers a lot of opportunities. It's a great opportunity for international companies to invest in China, but of course also all the amazing new technology and innovation around AI. We want to take that technology to the world in our products as well. So I think that opening up is a crucial part of driving innovation, new product development, and economic growth for the world.
Since its inception in 2018, the CIIE has served to share China's new development opportunities with other countries. It has also become a platform for high-level opening up and a public good for the whole world.